Hello friends, so again in this video I am going to talk about the registration process about the IIBF. So keep watching this video, and if you like, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that the notification would reach you immediately. So starting for the registration, suppose many students were facing difficulties. So how to proceed for the registration, as the time slot has not been given too much longer time, so you should fill it the form immediately. So suppose you're supposed to fill the form, you type IIBF. Let me show the demo here. IIBF in the Google, then you will get a link iibf.org.in. When you click at this link, again you will see basically a set of notice. So this is a set of notice. So you can see here registration link for ordinary member, non-member. So who are the ordinary member, non-member, I will discuss it later. So again the notice regarding the COVID-19 and a set of guidelines over here. So you just close this tab, close this pop-up, and when you scroll the button, you will see the page like this, in this manner. So here the details about IIBF, what are the examinations, or what are the things that IIBF is conducting. So here you will see three options: BC/BF, apply now, login. So basically login facilities for the for those people who have taken a membership of IIBF for the lifetime. So if you are a member or if you are non-member, in both the cases you can fill the form. So firstly you click on the button apply now, and here you will see option membership, exam members, exam non-members. So in the membership column, suppose you are a first timer in the IIBF and you are supposed to give examination at a later period of time. So you can, in that case, you can take a membership of IIBF so that you could get certain advantages. And if I remembers, your registration process gets easier. You will have to pay a lesser amount. In this manner, you can see you will get a membership card from the IIBF, in which the IIBF membership number would be written. And now suppose you have you are not opting for membership, then you can click over the exam non-members. So being a member, let's click on the exam members. So when you will click on this icon, you will see the page in this manner. Here basically rules, syllabus, eligibility, important instructions, how to apply diploma examination, certificate examination, JIB, CIB, like this in various courses over here. So I am supposed to talk about the JIB. Just click on this link. So when you click on this link, as earlier I had discussed, that you will get a membership if you had already taken a membership card from the IIBF, and if you are not taken, then in that case this page is not applicable. You will have to click on the non-members. So in this page, just let me type membership number, and you will verify your humanity by solving this puzzle. So after filling this page, now it will suppose to appear like this. Here I had already made a login, so you can see over here. Let me show you. Yeah, so you will get a page like this. Let me make it a smaller. So look here, the important change you will find, and in the important change you will find that since December 2019, you will see a change, because a new module in the principle and practices of banking, that is paper 1, a new module has been added, that is basically ethics in banks and financial institutions. And then Here is the examination schedule date. So I had talked earlier about this date, that paper 1 is going to happen on 6th, paper 2 on 12th, and paper 3 on 13th. And in the last video I forgot about talking about the examination fees. Suppose if you are a first time registration member and you are already having a membership card, then in that case you will have to pay amount approximately around 3500. I don't remember the exact amount, but it's around 3500. So this is the timetable for the examination. The examination schedule, eligibility. Look here, the examination fees has been shown as 2700. Actually this is the examination fee that was supposed to charge at an earlier period of time, before May 2020, and in the May 2020 it has been revised, and now it is being charged to approximately 3400 something, which at the end approximates around 3500. So look at the first attempt fee, second attempt fee, third attempt, and this is the examination fee. Later let's move further. Now after going through this all information, you are supposed to check box the two declaration that you have read the rules and regulations and you abide by the schedules. So in that case you will have to suppose click on the button and click on the I agree. Now when you will proceed to the I agree, uh, look, his access denied, but you will I think I had made some mistake over here, or it might be since in this ID already the form has been filled up, so it might appear in this manner. So you will get basically a GIB form, application form, in which let me show over here, apply for exams. Let's move to JIIB. So I had clicked on apply for exams at the leftmost column, and the pop-up will appear. Just click on OK, and then these are the setup guidelines. Now you click on the button. Let's see whether it will proceed or not. Yes, it has proceeded. Now look, this is a set of page that will appear. So here center name. So when you opt a center name, you will get option based on the first one is medium. You will get, here is the medium. Suppose you opt English. Center name, suppose you opt let's suppose any place. Let us suppose Delhi. Let's suppose Delhi, the capital city of India. Delhi is there? No, Delhi is not there. Let's pick at random. Let's suppose Ghaziabad. So you opt center name at Ghaziabad. Now moving at the next option, principal and practice of banking. Here you are getting three options: venue, date, and time. In the venue column, when you click, you will get a venue option. So you will have to select over here, again the date, again the time. Look, here the three times available, but in some district you will get only two times, 8:30 and 11:15. So you can opt 8:30 as per your convenience. Again in the accounting and finance for bankers, you will click here like this, and then again legal and regulatory aspects, again you can opt here like this. So in this manner you can see that here seat available, it means in this venue, at this venue and at this particular time, total seats available are 115. Let us take another example of some interior region. Let's suppose smaller region. Suppose Asansol is there. So in that case, again you will select venue, date, again time. So here you can see that there are seats available. It means after the seats get occupied at this time slot, then you will have to opt another time slot. So I will definitely say that you must proceed for filling of the form at the earliest. Now after filling up this form, just you will have declaration, and then after filling this form, just click on the preview button. You will just check the details, and if you supposed to change any details in the profile column, you just make it sure that you must change the details before filling up the form. So after this, you just click on the preview button, you will get a page, check the details, and click on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, again your registration gets, you will get a payment option. Again you can make payment through debit card, credit card, and further you will supposed to uh, your process, registration process gets completed, and thereafter you will, after a certain period of time, as and when IIBF will announce about the admit card. In this case, just click on the admit card button, and let's move backwards. Okay, here let's see, here is exam application history, download admit card, transaction details. These are the options, so you can download admit card from here. So through this video I just thought that I had made you clear how to proceed for the filling of the form for the JIIB. So with this I am just going to end my video, and suppose you are having any doubt, you can just make a comments over the description in the comment box, so that I could resolve the query if any. So thank you for watching this video, and again, if you want to get real-time notification, please click on the bell icon button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.